Which three-word sequence best summarizes the electron transport chain? Remember that the electron transport chain is the last step within cellular respiration, and this step is going to use oxygen as well as electron carriers known as NADH and FADH2 to create the most amount of ATP out of any step. It does this by creating a hydrogen ion concentration along the inner membrane of mitochondria. Let's try to find an answer now that kind of matches that description. A. Pyruvate, NADH, and CoA. Well, that would be good for like the prep step since it takes in pyruvate, it produces NADH, and it uses this coenzyme A, so I don't think this is a good choice. B. Regenerate, anaerobic, small. This would be a really bad description because, again, electron transport chain uses oxygen, which means it's aerobic, so this word would definitely not fit, which means this answer is wrong. C. Sugar, breaking, start. That sounds like glycolysis because it starts breaking down sugars at the beginning of cellular respiration, so I don't think this is a good choice. D. Last, gradient, most. That sounds like my best choice so far. It's the last step of cellular respiration, it creates a gradient of hydrogen ions, and it creates the most ATP. So I like this answer so far. Here's the last one, E. Twice, matrix, FADH2. Well, the electron transport chain does use FADH2, but twice and matrix makes me think of the Krebs cycle, so I don't think this is a good choice, which means D here is the best option. The electron transport chain is the last step of cellular respiration, it creates the most ATP, and it creates a gradient of hydrogen ions from high to low concentrations along that inner membrane.